Can't see the lumber. What we've done here, instead of putting a column on the bottom,
OJ channel, starter strip, straight. You see, that's what you want. That's what you want with every course once you install. Next trim board, we're getting a nice panel look on it. We have some cold molding between the blocks. It's just finishing up right now.
Here we just installed vinyl cedar shake siding on this house. We're on the front now, and as you can see, it was a tear-off. For your free consultation and estimate, or go to one of our websites.
OJ channel, starter strip, straight.